Hello, I'm Nicole Northgarden, and today I have a rummage sale haul for you. Here we go. Hello, you all. I hope you're doing well. I hope you've had a fabulous week. I did post a thrift with me on Wednesday. If you missed it, I'll try to remember to link it here. And now I have a rummage sale, not yard sale haul. I had a yard sale haul last Sunday. I think that's what I'm going to do, is like a haul for like rummage sale or yard sale on Sunday, and then a thrift with me on Wednesday. I think that's going to be the pattern for the next little bit here in the summer, at least, because I'm doing a lot of yard selling and I like to share that with you. So this haul, I actually went to a rummage sale with Molly. I cannot remember the name of the church. It was in South Minneapolis, and it was a great time. We went on bag sale day, which we actually didn't realize. I guess the sale had been going Thursday, Friday, Saturday is when we went, and it was bag sale day. So most of the stuff I'm going to show you was $5 for all. And then I did buy for $3 some old books, which I will also share. So got a lot of great stuff, some things for my collections, and then also to restock my booth. I do have a little booth at a place called the Pink Elephant. It's in Hopkins, Minnesota. If you're ever in the area, I'd love for you to drop in. It's a great time. I love the vintage community in the Twin Cities. It's great. I love the people I've met, and I love rescuing things and yeah, passing them on. So that's what I'm going to show you today. I'm going to show you the first thing because it's on my lap. This is for me. This was part of my $5. It's resin, nothing like, you know, old or special about it, but I just think he's so cute. Yeah, and this is going to go out in my garden. So it's a little bunny, and he's got like bugs on him and stuff. So that's like I don't know if it's like a cricket or something. And he has flowers wrapped around him, and you can set like a little pot in it. So I'm going to do that. He'll either go in the garden or he'll go on my deck with a little pot. Haven't decided yet, but I thought he's too cheerful to leave behind. So that is going to be for me out on my deck or in my garden. Okay, then I'm going to go back and forth. One thing that's for me, one thing that's for the shop. I did pick up, I don't collect teapots, but I thought this was so cute. The brand is Lotus. It says delicate hand-painted surface, hand wash only, sponge, with a sponge. Do not scrub, do not put in the dishwasher. But it's just like this little fruit cart. I thought that was so adorable. And I don't know if Lotus was like a flower, you know, like something for gift, like a gift company. I'm not sure. But yeah, so it's not old or anything, but I do know that people love to collect teapots, and I thought this one was really cute and tiny. I don't know if you can tell. It's not that tall. It's probably like, what, 4 inches? Here it is next to my face. So you have a comparison. So yeah, so that was really cute, and that will go to the Pink Elephant. Okay, then for me, oh, this was a good find. So you may know, I haven't found one in a very long time. These Kakana Club, these are cheese Crocs from a company in Wisconsin. They're not super old or anything, but I do love them. This is a size I don't have. I usually only pick up the ones, they have a little caricature, like mascot or something, you know, like a brand mascot, whatever. And I usually only pick up ones with his face because he's super cute, and those are different. But I did like this because I like the size. I did not pay $10. I paid whatever portion of my $5 for that. And I think that might have been like a price from a yard sale or something, because nothing was priced individually in the area that I got all these things. They did have like a special area. That's where I got the books. I'll show you that in a little bit. So yeah, and then also kind of along those same lines, I just got this plain one. I just really like Crocs. They're fun. You can store stuff in them in the kitchen. They look cute on a shelf. So those are for me. Okay. Then for the shoppy, I did pick up this little dish. It's just ceramic. It looks 80s, 70s, 80s. Yeah, it's just kind of, I don't know, you use it maybe on a vanity or dresser, but I thought it was cute. Looks like maybe it was made in a ceramic shop. It's not marked or anything, but I thought it was cute. Doesn't have chips. And I was like, I'm not going to leave this so that it gets thrown in the trash with all the stuff left here at the end of the day. Okay, and what else? Something for me. Oh, I love this. So I did get this little bone dish. It's transferware. It says Tonquin Royal Staffordshire Dinnerware by Clarice Cliff, made in England. So there's the stamp. I wanted to make sure I was doing it right side up for you. But again, it's red transferware. I don't have a big collection of red transferware because I don't find it very often. And then all of a sudden I've found a ton of red transferware in the past few weeks, which is really funny. So yeah, that will go in my growing collection of reds. Okay, and then something for the shop. Oh, these are fine. But ceramic fruit has been very popular. Oh, I stuck it in my ear. I was trying to get my hair off my ear, and then I did that. That was funny. Oh, typical, right? Anyway, ceramic fruit. It's a big seller. It's creamy white. It looks kind of white on camera, but it's actually like a creamy white. And yeah, I don't know. It's a collectible that people look for. So it's not vintage, but I think someone might like it on their shelves. So yeah, it's a set, but I don't know. I probably will not sell it as a set, and I won't sell it for very much. And again, I paid $5 for everything, so not too worried about what I get back, but it's nice to have some things on my shelf. My shelves are looking a little bare. I need time to like price stuff. For any of you who have a booth, you know, it just takes a lot of time to merchandise and, you know, to buy stuff and then clean it all and then get it priced and get it to your booth and set it up, make it look nice. I just haven't had a ton of time, the whole job search thing, which is ongoing, by the way. Yes, still going well. I'm interviewing. I'm sure something will come through soon. But yeah, I just haven't had a ton of time to do like pricing and stuff. So it is what it is. Okay, but it's nice to get stuff that you can use on your shelves. Okay, so next, something for me. I did get this little, it's just a planter. Nothing super special about it, but I'm always looking for planters that I can put, you know, you put marbles or rocks in the bottom and then a little bit of dirt and you can put succulents. So that's what I will do with this. And I should show this to you. It wasn't super interesting, so I wasn't going to show it, but I will show it. I got also this bag of marbles, which I'm sure someone used as like a vase filler. I'm just going to use them in the bottom of my succulent pots because I ran out. I had some vase filler that I was using in the bottom of my succulent pots, but I recently ran out. So yeah, so that's for that. Okay, so that's for me. And then for the shop, I did buy these Talon tongs. Again, these are just all in my $5 purchases. These are really good sellers for me. These are, trying to see if they're marked. These do not appear to be marked, but they're just little ice tongs. They look like talons. And yeah, they're pretty, every time I've had them, they sell. I don't sell them for very much, but always good to pick those up when I find them. Sorry. Okay. Then I haven't bought much strawberry stuff, and I honestly didn't get a chance to put my strawberry stuff out yet, and I honestly don't know that I'm going to this year. I just haven't had a lot of time for decorating, for seasonal decorating, because I've just been busy. But I couldn't leave this. It was just so pretty. It's just this little ceramic basket, and I could easily just set this on a tiered tray. Oh, it is marked. Let's see. EA, so probably some of the initials. Abel, 1999. So someone probably went to a ceramics place and painted this in 1999, which, if you can even believe it, was 25 years ago. How is that possible? And I know that because I have a child who was born in 1999 and she's turning 25. How is that possible? I don't even know. So anyway, that is for me. I thought it was really cute. Okay. And then I think there's one other thing for me, and the rest is for the shop. So this I thought was cool. I'm not picking these up for myself anymore. I'm not even really picking them up very frequently for the shop. They don't sell that quickly for me, these tea tins. This one's actually assorted biscuits, but I thought this one was cool and different, older looking. So I will put this at the shop for not very much. But I thought it was cool. So yeah. And then also for the shop, I got 3 books. Hardy Boy books and a Nancy Drew. Oh, I don't think I realized that this one had someone's name written on it. Oh, well. So yeah, people they buy these from the Pink Elephant. I don't collect them, but so whenever I see older ones, I pick them up if they're a good price. These were $1 a piece. That's a fine price. So I got those. Ooh, don't want to break stuff, Nicole. And then I got this. I told you I keep like little cutie things that I can, you know, price low for like when kids come in with their grandma or whatever. And so that's my thought on this one. It's just, it's a bank, but it has its like seal. I thought that'd be really cute for a little one that comes in and wants to get something for cheap. So, cause you know, a lot of times like a grandma will come in and she's like, you have $5 to spend. And you know, I like to have things that kids can buy for $5. Okie dokie. And then, oh, the other thing that I said, I'm not sure if I will keep it. I love it though. It's so pretty. And it's a forget-me-not, which is just really pretty. I might just set this on my dresser. I don't collect bells, but I just thought this one was just really pretty. I don't know if you can tell, it's the prettiest shade of blue. It's almost like a robin's egg blue. And then forget-me-nots. I just thought it was lovely. So I might keep that for a little while. We'll see. And got this again, fun little kid thing to have, little change purse. And these are Molly's. I'll show them. She bought some earrings. These were also not included in our $5. I think they were like 3 for $1 or something. So she picked out some earrings. So I thought those were really pretty, if you can see them. And then she picked these. And then she picked these. Oh, these were clip-ons, right. Oh no, they looked like clip-ons, but they're not clip-ons. So they were just kind of, she thought they were different. So you can see, it looks like that on the front, but then you can see what the back looks like. It has a post, but then this thing kind of clips, see that? Clips over it. Which she thought was kind of cool. So those are Molly's. So that is my rummage sale haul. I'm going to clean this stuff up and then I'm going to show you, someone came into the Pink Elephant and brought a box of goodies for me, left it there for me. And I got it last week when I happened to be dropping some things off. And the things are so good that I just have to show them to you. So I'm going to clean up what's in front of me, get that box, and we'll meet back here and I'll show you. It's sort of friend mail, but it was delivered by hand. So hold on a second. Let's do that next. Okay, so I have the box to my left here and I'm just going to pull things out of it to show you. So this is my friend mail box that was dropped off for me at the Pink Elephant, which was so nice. So there's these little, these are Chesapeake Bay candles, which I think are Kohl's. I'm not going to open them, but it's just 3 little candles in like pumpkin shaped containers. These are going to be so cute in my fall displays. Love these. Sorry, I'm out of breath because I had to go to the garage to get my box. Okay, and then there were these cutie little red, white, and blue, like little starbursts, like sunbursts, which could totally be put in a bowl or a basket in a display for the 4th. So cute. Which I better get on it if I'm going to do that because the 4th is coming. Okay, and then got this little like knife block with these blue and white spreaders. I love this. And you know, it's funny. So 2 are missing, but I have one. I found one little spreader like this at like a garage sale or something. And I was like, oh, I really like that. So I picked it up, but now I have a little display thing. These would look so pretty on a tiered tray in my kitchen, which I will probably do. I told you I'm working on my displays in my kitchen. I thought I was going to have it ready for this week coming, but I haven't gotten it done yet. So hopefully this week I will get to filming it and editing that. So anyway, but this I will definitely be able to have out on my counter or on my tiered tray. I think they'll be so cute. Okay, then a really pretty piece of fabric, which totally looks like Pioneer Woman. Oh yeah, it is Pioneer Woman. Definitely. Oh, now what stinks is that I saw a bowl like this. I don't know if you remember that. Or was it in a video yet? I think so, but maybe not. No, it was. I think it was in my last week's Thrift with me. A Pioneer Woman bowl that matches this. I was like, oh, I wish I had gotten that bowl. Oh, well. So anyway, that's really pretty. And then, oh, well, I'm not going to show you the hold on. We're getting to the really, really good goodies. These are some little, I think they're originally yogurt containers, but they're great for crafting. They're so pretty. You can make candles in them, which is what I've done with them. That's probably what I'll do again. Okay, now comes the most amazing finds ever. Oh, and by the way, the person who got me these goodies, her name is Sue. She calls herself a fellow thrifter. And wait, she's in the area, shops at Legacy Thrift. But wait, she said let's see. This package comes to you from the Polish Star Lady. She said, I do watch your home thrifting videos. I don't comment much, but I do always give a thumbs up. So if that gives you a clue as to what we're about to embark upon here, I was just falling over myself. I was so excited. So look. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is Polish pottery. For anyone who's not familiar, one of my absolute favorite things to collect. I've collected it for years and years. I use my pieces, so occasionally I have to get rid of one because sometimes they get cracked. I've only actually had to get rid of one, and that was one I used all the time, so that was a real bummer. But I love this. It does have a Christmas motif. I'm going to put it out anyway with my collection because I love, this is called like a peacock design, I think. See that? And I just love that design. So super cool. I love this bowl. Thank you so much, Sue. Okay, and then, oh, they're so great. Oh my gosh. So I have a Santa ornament, but she sent owls. What? I've never seen these before. Oh my gosh, I love them. And a horse. It's so adorable. And like, I don't know if you're familiar, but in Swedish culture, there's like Dala horses. This is not a Dala horse, but like that motif is kind of a big motif. So kind of cool to have this. I know it's Polish pottery, but it goes with the Swedish vibe too. So these are not going only out for Christmas. These are going in my China hutch because I just want to look at them all year long. I absolutely love them. If I think of it, I will show you them in the China hutch in this video. I can insert some footage. Okay, here they are. My new little horse and my owls. So cute here in my hutch. And, ooh, that's crooked. This is the current state of the hutch. And you can see I have some of my Polish pottery up there. See some of it. And I have one of my favorite pieces. My friend found this at the bins and gave that to me. Love. And I will show you where my other Polish pottery is. It's kind of over in that direction. Hold on. Okay, and so here's the rest of my collection. And I keep these pieces here because these I really use a lot. So, especially the casseroles, I really like those. So yeah, those are my Polish potteries. And so I'm gonna probably move that green dish and put my new bowl right there. So thanks, Sue. Okay, off we go back to what I was showing you. Okay, and then there's this little angel. Oh my gosh, also Polish pottery. I love her so much. And I think you can put like a candle in her. Oh, she has a little IKEA candle in there. So cute. Oh my gosh. And then she also sent me dishes for this is my regular dish set. And yeah, and so she sent me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dishes. So now I am set for the next several years. I am set because now I have enough for my family and their significant others and some friends that we often have on holidays. So anyway, that is my fabulous box of friend mail that was dropped off for me at the Pink Elephant. Thank you so much, Sue. I absolutely love these treasures. You know me so well. And I hope you all enjoyed my rummage sale haul. It was super fun. And I will see you on Wednesday with a Thrift With Me video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good start to your week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.